In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Belkin router using power bank. Start by verifying the power requirements for your router, usually found on a label on the back or bottom of the device. Next, make sure your power bank has the right voltage and amperage specifications. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that works with your setup. Plug the DC end into the power port of your router. Connect the USB end to the power bank. Turn on the bank, and you'll see the indicator lights on your router light up, showing that it's now powered on. If the router isn't working correctly, it might be because the power bank isn't providing enough power. In this case, you'll want to disable the 5G network. Don't forget to check out my other video linked in the description for a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think in the comments.